Good morning to one and all. Welcome to my project. I am Arpita George from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Kagal Kolhapur, Pune cluster. The sub-theme of my project is Health, Hygiene and Cleanliness, and the name of my project is Utter Use of Kitchen Waste for Better Health. Every day we throw away a lot of fruit. The purpose of my project is to utilize the kitchen waste to produce garbage enzyme from which many useful products can be prepared. Every day we throw away a lot of fruit and vegetable peels thinking that they don't have any use. But we can manage this waste by turning them into garbage enzyme which can be further utilized to make many eco-friendly products like glass cleaners, floor cleaners, fertilizers, pesticides, dishwashers, etc. To improve the properties of these products, we can also add moringa leaf extract and lemongrass oil in it, which has antimicrobial properties. So, as you know that nowadays we are using a lot of chemical products like glass cleaners, floor cleaners, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. These chemicals are really very harmful for our health. So, I thought of making garbage enzyme from kitchen waste which is not at all harmful. By making this enzyme non-toxic, environment friendly and pollution-free products can be prepared which are very beneficial. So, here is the procedure by which we can prepare this garbage enzyme. Take an empty plastic container, pour water, add fruit and vegetable peels and raw sugar in it. The ratio of raw sugar, fruit and vegetable peels and water should be 1:3:10 respectively. Ferment it for 3 months. Filter the solution and collect the filtrate. The garbage enzyme is ready. You can see the garbage enzyme here after fermentation, that is after 3 months. And this is the filtered solution, the final garbage enzyme. You can use this garbage enzyme for making different products using different dilutions. You can see this information on my chart. Floor cleaner, ratio of water is to enzyme 1:20. Ratio of enzyme is to water, that is 1:20. We can also add moringa extract and lemongrass oil to improve its properties. Pesticide ratio 1:100, fertilizer ratio 1:500, glass cleaner ratio 1:3, washing bathrooms and toilets cleaner ratio 1:10, blockage remover, use undiluted garbage enzyme and leave overnight, insect repellent, use undiluted garbage enzyme for ants and cockroaches, etc. Yes, you can see this. You can see these products on my table: glass cleaner, floor cleaner, pesticide, toilet cleaner, dishwash, fertilizer. The glass cleaner made from the garbage enzyme effectively cleans the glass pieces. You can see it right now. This glass piece contains grease, oil, and dust. Now I will clean it with glass cleaner. So now you can see, earlier it was so dirty but now it's totally clean. So you can see how effective it is. Garbage enzyme can also be used in farming as fertilizers and pesticides. So they also contribute to organic farming. I have used this fertilizer in my kitchen garden on plants like methi, cauliflower, lady's finger, etc. And I have got a very good yield. We can also use this fertilizer on money plants and other garden plants as well. So, here is the graph showing the yield of methi using different manures. Without using any manure, I got a yield of 2 kg of methi. By using cow dung, I got a yield of 3 kg of methi, and by using fertilizer made from garbage enzyme, I got a yield of 4.5 kg of methi. So, you can see how effective it is. I have also prepared a chart which includes the snaps taken during the process of my project. Fruit and vegetable peels, raw sugar, mixing of all the ingredients, the fruit and vegetable peels and raw sugar and water. After 3 months, filtration after 3 months, the garbage enzyme, the filtered solution. This is the growth of vegetable after applying garbage enzyme. You can see how well the methi, lady's finger and cauliflower plant have grown. This is the growth of garden plant after spraying garbage enzyme. You can see here as well how well the money plant, how effectively the money plant and other flowering plant have grown. Thus, by making garbage enzyme from kitchen waste, we can also dispose of all the kitchen garbage present at our home and maintain hygiene and cleanliness. If everyone uses their kitchen waste like this, the mankind can live in a better place. We can live in an toxic free environment and can enjoy non-toxic food, and we can also maintain a good health. At last, I want to tell you the benefits of my project. First, proper disposal of kitchen waste. Second, production of eco-friendly products. Third, non-toxic food. Fourth, low cost. Fifth, saving money. Sixth, earning income. Seventh, saving Mother Earth and health.